Can a felon be charged with unlawful possession of a firearm even when he or she didn't even have that firearm on them? Dave McDermott here, McDermott Law Group. Not your typical attorneys, guys. The answer to this question is yes, but I want you to understand why. If in fact you're aware of the presence of a firearm and you have the intent and capability to maintain control over that firearm in that particular space where it's located, this is what's referred to as constructive possession. Many people are mistaken when they believe that they can't be charged with possession of a firearm if it's not on their person. And this is inaccurate for that particular reason. Why am I posting this video? Because many people are around firearms all the time and are completely unaware of it. For example, you might be in your friend's vehicle. Your friend's driving, your friend owns the vehicle, your friend even owns the firearm. The vehicle is curbed by the police for whatever minor traffic infraction, which subsequently leads to a search of that vehicle, and the police subsequently recovered a firearm. Guess what? Because you're close to that firearm, because you have the ability to access that firearm, you can be charged with unlawful possession of that firearm. And if you have a felony in your background, and in the majority of just about all jurisdictions in this country, that is illegal and subject to significant consequences, you can in fact be looking at significant prison time for being in a vehicle with a firearm and not even knowing that it existed in that particular location. Now, keep in mind the prosecution does have to prove that you had constructive possession beyond a reasonable doubt. They have to prove that you actually were aware that that firearm was in the vehicle, but they're going to argue that circumstantially you had to know it was in the vehicle. And they're going to introduce your convictions and the fact that you have a background to try to sway the jury or the judge into believing their position. What do you think about this?